Hey Claudia, it's Viola here. How you doing? I wanted to quickly go through your website and just talk about a couple of things that we can help you with. So for starters, I like the way your website looks, but I am going to suggest that you guys add a phone number that's above the folds. I noticed you have it down here and it's clickable, but seeing that 99% of the people that land on your website will be using their mobile phone, you want to make it pretty easy for them to be able to reach out to someone. So I would suggest to just add it up here so that they can get someone pretty quickly. All right, let's see. Then we have, all right, this down here and okay, and the map. That's it. So Google likes to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, specifically on the home page, because Google has crawlers and they're crawling the site because they're trying to figure out what areas you serve and what services you offer. Now it's pretty obvious that you guys do serve Atlanta and you do gutters in Atlanta, right? That's all over the page. It's even in the URL. However, when somebody goes to Google, right, and they're typing in gutter repair Atlanta, the first thing we see are the Google guaranteed ads. And I notice you guys are paying to be in the #1 spot, which is great. But I wanted to talk to you about this area right here, which is the map pack. So this is another opportunity that you guys are missing as far as being able to get more clients. These businesses are getting the bulk of the leads that are coming in for this, because a lot of people do bypass ads, whether it's because of bad experiences or just ad blockers, whatever the case may be. So I wanted to dive into this section a little bit more. This area has everything to do with a citation, reviews, and pictures. So right now, Georgia Roofing and Repair is currently ranking in the #1 spot. I'm not talking about this company because this company is paying to be in this spot. But these companies are organically here. And when you're here, it's very hard for Google to remove you, right? So let's go ahead and see what they're doing. So Gutter Roofing and Repair, I pulled them up. This is their company right here. I counted every single photo. They have 778 photos on their Google business profile. That is definitely the #1 thing that is allowing them to rank high. I know they're doing roofing and repair, but they're ranking for gutter repair in Atlanta. And if you notice right here, it says gutter cleaning service. So you definitely want to add some more pictures to your, sorry, I lost the thing there, but you want to add more pictures to your Google business profile. I found you guys here. So you definitely want to add some more pictures because I think you guys have about 7 or 6, right? The other thing is you want to get your reviews up. You guys don't have any reviews. This company has 62 reviews. Reviews are huge for Google, especially with the new algorithm they rolled out back in March and April a couple months ago. So I would say definitely add more reviews. And let's talk about these citations, right? Okay, so when somebody, as far as gutter repair Atlanta, this is telling us right now that there are 147 citations that are currently being used for gutter repair Atlanta. And Georgia Roofing and Repair has 20. You guys are at 16. Now, it's not just any citation, right? It's the type of citation. So I'm going to go a little bit deeper. This is a tool that I use called Ahrefs. It just lets me see the back end of a website and what's going on with it. Really quickly, the first thing you see is a DR, the UR, and that's essentially a trust flow from Google, and the DR is a power flow. And both of those numbers are increased by something called a backlink. And all a backlink is, or a citation, right, is an endorsement from another company, meaning a clickable link on another website. When somebody clicks on it, it passes power and trust over to your website. So this is that company, Georgia Roofing and Repair. And I want to take a look at how many, because right now they're being ranked for over 1,500 keywords. But I want to take a look at the companies that are linking back to them, right? The referring domains. They have 205 companies linking back to them. And it's not just any companies, right? These companies or these other websites have 3.2 million in traffic, right? This one has 1.8 million in traffic, 14 million in traffic. So if I were you, I would go in here and see exactly which ones are working for them and how it can work for me. Right. And then the other thing is this is your company in the same tool. As you can see, ATL Gutter Experts right here. You guys are ranking for 92 keywords. And I know you guys are doing a good amount as far as with paid advertising. But let's take a look at your referring domains and how many companies you guys have linking back to you. So you have 80, right? And if we dive a little deeper as far as the ones that are actually giving you some power, 34. And when you look at the traffic of the ones that you're linking to, they're not as powerful. You see how this is only 3,700 people traffic. That's the traffic. This one is 125, which is not bad. So if I were you guys, I would just really go through this with a fine tooth comb and see how is it that you can do what they're doing. Because if you're beating them with backlinks, and you're beating them with citations, and you're beating them with photos, and as well, you're being there with photos and reviews. Reviews are huge. Then you guys are going to be able to own that number one spot when it comes to someone searching for gutter repair in Atlanta, Georgia, across the board. I truly have no doubt in my mind about that at all. So, just a quick recap, definitely get the phone number up here. Go ahead and add some more reviews, get those citations, and get those backlinks linking back to you. And pictures, pictures, pictures. I hope you guys have some pictures to add so that you guys can outrank them, because they have 778. All right, talk to you soon, and call me if you have any questions.